Hello, welcome back to my channel, Lia B and Tatino. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon and good evening. Today is 17 August 2025. Today, guys, we are going to the mountain. The mountain, um, 60 kilometers from the city where I live, Modena, Italy. And we are going to Lama Muconio. Okay, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching the panorama uh, of our mountain in my province of Modena, Italy, region Emilia-Romagna. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day everyone and enjoy watching my video. Guys, we're going to the oasis and to see some animals uh, in the mountain of Lama Muconio. Okay, thank you. The panorama, guys, because no music, no sound. This area is a part of my province, Modena, and I think this distance is 60. We are already 60 kilometers from this city, going up to the mountain. Here, last year, I went here with the bus. During winter, there are many snow here in this area going up to the mountain. But this is not the road of the public bus, but the same in the other road. We are using the other road to go to the mountain, but it's similar. It's on the other side. So the public bus and the other side, not this road that we are using today. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching my live and my video. I hope you will like this video, guys. And thank you. Have a nice day. God bless. God bless us all and remain blessed. Bye. Thank Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. See you.